Hey everybody, this is Jonathan Walker with Transparent Traders. Today we're going to talk about stock ticker PENN, which is Penn National Gaming. They're an operator of casinos and racetracks. They're based out of Pennsylvania, and we're going to talk about a bearish swing trade alert that I took and kind of give you a recap of why I took this alert, where I entered, where I exited, and everything else that I was looking at. So let's pull up the chart in TradingView for stock ticker PENN. Alrighty, so everybody, you can see right here that I had an entry of 118.64. That's what this green line is. So as you can see, this alerted as a bearish swing trade on Friday, February 19th via the Blackbox algorithmic alerts, and it alerted as a bearish swing trade. So I broke this down over the weekend, and basically why I chose the 118.64 mark was I like to go back to that last day that's trading, and I like to look at the areas that it attempted to break through and that it was kind of struggling. So if you look right here, this is the 19th. This was this past Friday that you can see in the center range about midday, and even in the beginning when it did kind of gap up, it struggled to break this 118.65.70 range. Also, you can see that this pink line is the TT breakout indicator that we provide to our subscribers, and it was right there on that line. So I basically, Saturday and Sunday, when I dropped this into the private chat that we have with our platform, that I was looking to enter this as a bearish swing trade alert with short shares with a break below 118.64. So I entered this trade when it broke through end of day on Monday, February 22nd. You can see where it broke through right here in this candlestick right here at approximately 2:40 in the afternoon. I had my advance order set. I entered this as a short position. It looked really promising going into pre-market, especially. I mean, volume was very, very low, so I wasn't real positive on this. I did not have a stop loss. I watched this once market open, massive little kind of bounce up from the gap down with a little bit of trading volume. As you can see, you can look right here and you can tell that it had pretty good amount of volume traded, 127,000 shares in that first 5-minute candle, and then the bottom fell out. So by this fourth candle, it dropped all the way down into this 107.05 range, and then it started coming back up a little bit. I immediately set a buy to cover order basically at 107.50. I figured that this would continue to go down. I wasn't expecting this to climb all the way back up throughout the day, but as you can see here with the blue line at 107.56 is where my average fill to cover my short position was. And you can see right here that this was a amazing trade for me on the TT Blackbox, as I profited a little over $3,300. So that's basically the gist of it. I kind of showed you where it alerted, why I chose to pick the trade, some of the profit that I made. Remember, profit per trade on these is all going to be dependent on the size account you're trading with and the position sizes you use. For new traders, don't think that every time you trade you're going to get thousands of dollars in profit. Small accounts, profit small, but every small profit adds up to make that account size bigger. So as always, folks, base hits pad the wallet, and let's see what else this black box has to offer from Transparent Traders. And as always, Jonathan Walker out.
Amazingly simple.